How to use Greenlight card on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this informative video presentation, I'll provide you with a step-by-step tutorial on how to effectively utilize your Greenlight card for the transactions on the popular online platform known as Roblox. The process is quite straightforward and user-friendly, making it easy for the individuals who possess a Greenlight debit card with available funds to acquire Robux, the virtual in-game currency. To begin, navigate to the official Roblox website by typing www.roblox.com into your web browser or launch the mobile application on your device. Once you have accessed the platform, locate and click on the Roblox icon, then proceed to select the option Buy Robux from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred Robux package from the list of available options, ensuring that you have sufficient funds loaded in your Greenlight card. Next, offer the payment method labeled as debit card and proceed to input the necessary card details as prompt. After confirming the purchase, you can expect to receive your Robux immediately, allowing you to enhance your gaming experience on Roblox. I trust that this comprehensive guide has been beneficial to you in navigating the process successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel for additional tips and tricks. We sincerely appreciate your viewership and hope to assist you further in the future. Thank you for tuning in.